Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. So the first step is to simply go to Binance and then simply go to your settings, and after that what you're going to have to do is simply click on account and then simply go to security. And as you can see here, you have Authenticator app, so simply click on manage. Then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on enable Authenticator app. But before that, you're gonna have to install the app on your phone. So you can simply go to Google Play or App Store and download the app for free, and then simply click on enable Authenticator. And first of all, you're gonna have to verify, so they're gonna send you some verification codes on your email and phone number. And after that, basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click the enable button, and then basically you're gonna receive a code. And with this code, you're gonna have to simply enter it in Google Authenticator. So basically you're gonna have to open Google Authenticator on your phone, then simply click on the plus button, and then simply click on enter a setup key, and then you're gonna have to enter here the account name. So it's gonna be something like Binance, and then the key that you received from your Binance account, and then simply click on add. And then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply verify. So you're gonna have to simply go back to the Binance app and tap on next, and then basically they're gonna ask you for the code from your Google Authenticator account. And basically every 10 seconds, basically our Google Authenticator will generate you a new code, and with that code you're gonna have to paste it here and then simply click on submit. And basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.